Have you ever wondered when to use who, whom, whose, or whose? Maybe you've even avoided these words because they seem too confusing. Well, not anymore. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at using them. And guess what? I'll make it super simple and fun. Let's dive in. Who, the subject. Who is like the superhero of questions. It's always doing something. It's the subject of the sentence. Think about the person performing the action. Example. Who is knocking at the door? The person doing the knocking. Quick tip. If you can replace it with he or she, then it's who. Whom, the object. Use whom when the person receiving the action. Example. Whom did you invite to the party? You invited him or her. See how it works? Quick tip. If you can replace it with him or her, then it's whom. Are you ready to take a quick quiz? Okay, let's do it. Okay, I hope you got it. So let's continue. Whose, possession. Whose asks about ownership. It's like saying, who does this belong to? Example, whose pen is this? Does it belong to you, me, someone else? Quick tip, if you're asking about possession, always go with whose. Whose, who is or who has. Whose is short for who is or who has. It's a contraction, kinda like a shortcut for your words. Example 1. Who's at the door? Who is at the door? Example 2. Who's been to London? Who has been to London? Quick tip. If you can replace it with who is or who has, it's always whose. Okay, are you ready for the second challenge? Let's get started. Awesome job today! Congratulations! You are one step closer to mastering English. And remember, who is the subject, whom is the object, whose shows possession, and whose is short for who is or who has. Easy, right? And you see, it's Christmas time, so I prepared for you the gift. Take the full test, 20 questions about who, whom, whose, and whose. Click the link in the first comment. And if you find this lesson helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more lessons, and share this with someone who needs to level up their English. And don't forget to leave your answers to the quiz in the comments. I'll be checking. See you in the next video.